guys, it's Phoebe and Piper, and today's video is a pancake challenge. So basically, we've got 3 pancakes, so that means 3 rounds, and each pancake has a disgusting topping. Got ketchup, mustard, and something pickle, sweet pickle, and it's gonna be gross, but I'm not sure what. But the winner gets a nice one with strawberries and cream. So, we're going to start with the first round. So, ketchup. So, if we move these ones up. Ugh, it smells disgusting. Right. 3, 2, 1, go.
I eat it.
It's who eats the quickest.
Oh.
Next swallow. Because we have to swallow it. I won! Round 1 goes to me. Oh. Right, I won round 1, but we're gonna have a little break. That was disgusting.
A little bit got stuck in my throat.
The ketchup one was disgusting. Pip's just gone to get the good one. So let's show you guys the good one.
Honey on it. Has honey on it.
Good one. Let's put that right at the front. Right, next round. I won round 1.
Mustard.
You don't have a point yet. Oh my god, mustard. So, we have to swallow it. 3, 2, 1, go.
I hate mustard.
It's
It's spicy. It's spicy. It's spicy. I hate it.
I don't like it.
Never.
I have to win this round. Or I at least have to win the last round. Because I've got a point, she's got 0.
I have to eat this part. What type of mustard was that?
It looks like I'm winning.
I don't care if I lose.
But you still have to eat it all.
No.
Yeah. For YouTube, Piper. For YouTube.
I can't do this, guys.
That's really not nice. Sorry if the light's a bit bad. It's just getting late.
Oh my god. I just can't do this. I just cannot do this. I am not doing this.
I can't help my leg bouncing.
I am not eating this.
Right. But Pip, it's for YouTube.
I'm still not eating it.
Try. Because if Pip, if I get this point...
Put loads on me.
Pip, if I get this point, you have no chance of winning. That nice one is from me. Come on, quick.
No. I don't mean this.
You have to. Look at me, am I moaning? I am moaning as well. I'm eating bits at a time now.
I can't break it up, so I don't know how to get mustard. Oh my god, even a tiny bit spicy.
Ah.
I'm not open. I am not eating
What?
this. YouTube.
Mm.
You disgusting. I'm not eating it.
We took like 3 minutes eating this mustard one. The ketchup one, it wasn't that bad. Was it?
I'm not eating this.
It might sound weird, but it actually tastes quite nice.
I'm not eating it.
But still, it's a bit gross. We've took like 6 minutes of our time. Look at that yummy pancake. Do it for the yummy pancake. Because if I win this round,
I have to do this.
She's going for it.
Oh. I'm not doing this.
So guys, mustard one's a fail. I'm going to give Piper that point. None of us gets that point then. None.
None of us. But you said you're going to give it to me.
No. Well, yeah. If she's going to have a point, I'm going to have a point. And now whoever wins this.
She give me more sweet.
I give her 1 point.
There's chunks in it. I don't like chunks.
Let me taste a bit of it and see. It's sour. Quite nice.
Starting now. I'm definitely eating this as a taco. I better drop to your plate.
So that doesn't count. Tastes like big. Come on, Piper. Come on. Come on, Phoebe.
I'm just getting it off my plate.
If you don't know why I gave her. No, that's cheating. That's cheating.
So some. I hate this.
I gave Pip the point because she tried her best. Oh, I even tried better.
I had big mouthfuls.
Well, look at my plate. It was almost gone. Then Pip's you probably don't want to see. I'm just looking at that yummy...
Uh-oh.
I'm looking at that yummy pancake and saying, I've got to win. I've got to win. I've got to win.
I'm going to do that.
This is so hard. This is so hard. 9 minutes through the video. Actually, to be fair, I don't think anyone should get that point.
You should.
Should I?
Yeah.
Then you don't have a chance. Well, I should, yeah, because I got the furthest.
I spat that one out, so I had lot of mustard there.
I spat mine out on the bin.
I got half.
But guys, this is really not pleasant.
No one do this at home. No one.
I just want the good thing, just a little touch, but I can't. I got the 2 points. You have no chance of winning. I can't eat.
I got the point.
No. Now to confess, I got the point because I had the least left. You have to swallow. I still won. Right. I didn't eat that, but I still won because I got 2 points.
Not far.
Pip's gonna confess to her mother and say that I gave Phoebe the point because she had the least mustard pancake left, and
I'm
now
going
Phoebe
to
won.
wipe off my mouth.
And go tell Mum that Phoebe won. Now I get to eat it in your face. The pancake's mine. The pancake is mine. Pancake is mine. Oh, whipped cream, honey, and strawberries. Yummy. I'm just gonna stare at it, put it in the middle. She'd probably throw it up. This was not pleasant. I don't like it at all. I can't wait to have the yummy one. She might come back with some news saying we have to eat it. Right, Pip's back, and I meant to eat it in your face. So, did I win it fair and square?
Yes. I still had the last one.
Okay. I get to eat it. Actually, should we switch things up? So now guess what we have to do? We have to finish both of them all. You have to finish the mustard.
I'm gonna spit the one on. I'm gonna put this one on green.
Oh, she spat out. Guess what? I have to finish my sweet one. You have to finish your mustard. And whoever finishes theirs first wins.
Wait, I'm gonna say go.
So, I need to win. You have to swallow it.
Come on, Mom.
No spitting. No. Right. So we all know that I won that round.
How?
I won it. So we're going to say that's the end of the video. Bye.